Ladies and Habibis, we are going to introduction to you rising star of South Asia. He is very well educated. He knows Islam and Christianity very well. He done what they said he can't. He is Doctor.
Alhamdulillah.
Wait a minute, what are you doing, Zakir? You come out, it's not you. Habibi, take him out. Sorry, there was some problem. He's Adam Sikher.
Hello everyone, this is your favorite Murtid. Salamul Masih, peace of Christ be with each and every one of you. I hope you guys are having fun. Hello, this is your favorite Murtid and I am live once again with you guys with a very short video. Pakistan is on a blocking spree. You might have seen some of my videos have been blocked in Pakistan already from my English channel, as a lot of people who watch me already know that the 10 of my English videos are blocked in Pakistan, and I've shown that in the past. These are the videos. Video number 1, Aisha, the wife of Muhammad. What is jihad? Part 1 and part 2. The religion of Muhammad part 3, which I did with Lloyd Dijon. By the way, he's a very great guy. Please subscribe to his channel. His channel name is Lloyd Dijon. And the death of Muhammad, the history with reasoned answer. If you have not subscribed to his channel, please do so. And the part 1 of religion of Muhammad by Lloyd Dijon as well. And Happy Shab-e Mi'raj, the night of Mi'raj, where Muhammad flew on a flying donkey to the 7 heavens. And the religion of Muhammad part 5. There were 5 parts that I did with the religion of Muhammad with Lloyd Dijon, the 4th part, and then the origin of Quran, which I did with Usama Dagdog. Now these were the 10 videos that have been blocked from my English channel that you are listening to right now, named as Adam Seeker. But certain people who does not know that I have 2 more channels. One of them is called Adam Seeker Urdu. Urdu is the basic language that is spoken in Pakistan as the national language. As a lot of people know that I am from Pakistan, so I do Urdu videos as well in my Urdu channel. In my Urdu channel, I do live debates every Saturday for 4 to 5 hours. And sometimes even more. One of my videos is like 10 hours long, where I'm debating left, right, and center, people after people. But anyhow, long story short, a couple of months ago, government of Pakistan started blocking my videos because they recognized, oh, this guy is telling the truth. We do not have the answers for this guy. So they went in and they first 13 videos blocked. Let's look at those videos first. Video number 1, Muhammad ki Jannat, the heaven of Muhammad. Allah Nabi Muhammad, Allah is the prophet of Muhammad. Don't laugh, Lakshman or Muhammad. Muhammad bended his knees to Christians. Kalma ka matlab kya? What is the meaning of the Shahada? Muhammad ki maut kaise hui? How did Muhammad die? Muhammad londebaz tha. Muhammad was a bisexual person. Aiye, let's talk. Islam is a false religion. Ummi Nabi Muhammad. These 13 videos they blocked in one day. And I was like, that's fine. These people don't like that. Some of the titles were pretty bad as well. So, but once again, I'm debating in these videos. Most of these videos are actually debates after debates. You know, people are coming in and having debate and they are being crushed. So I was like, okay, that's fine. But then they came in a blocking spree. So and so that so far they have blocked 55 of my videos. So basically I do a video and I receive a blockage of that video in a couple of days, plus a couple of videos from the past they block. So seems like the government of Pakistan is watching my channel every day. They are watching 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours long videos, and they are blocking them left, right, and center, because in every video they see that not a single Muslim, either whether he is a mufti or an imam or a normal Muslim, he can't win. They are on the losing side. Islam is on the losing side, and Muslims are leaving this filthy cult of Muhammad every day in Pakistan and India, because my Urdu channel is being watched in India and Pakistan, and they are seeing the reality, because everything that I show with the references. So 55 of my videos from my Urdu channel has been blocked so far. There are so many that I won't even name the titles, I think. Let's just show you what are the more videos that has been blocked. Video number 14. Omnipresent Muhammad. 15. Quran आसमान से जमीन पर. 16. Muhammad Allah is a Satan. 17. Death of Muhammad. The मौत मोहम्मद की. क्या मोहम्मद काफिर था? Was Muhammad a kafir, a mushrik, a pagan before he received the prophecy? Discussion with Salman. Fiqh, Hadith and Quran. Part 3. Ammi Muhammad ki, the mother of Muhammad, and her pregnancy. Happy Shab Miraj in Urdu. Hazrat Abu Bakr ki Muhabbat Bari Zuban, the beloved tongue of Hazrat Abu Bakr. Da'if Hadith. What is the Da'if Hadith? This video I just showed what a Da'if Hadith is and whether it is acceptable or not in Urdu. That's what I showed. Muhammad, best example. Islam mein biwi ke haqooq. Part 2. And then abrogation in Islam. इस्लाम में बीवी के हकूक शोहर पर. That's the part 1 of that. अल्लाह गुमराह करता है. Allah sends astray. आखिरी नबी मोहम्मद, the last prophet. Tun Nabi Muhammad, the drunk Nabi, the drunk prophet. Hazrat Muhammad की पैदाइश, the birth of Muhammad. Islamic Sharia. Allah physical है. Allah is physical. जब बारिश होती है, when it rains. Non-Muslims in Quran. Man, I can't even read the titles alone. It will take me an hour at least to read the title. So I'm just going through video after video. So you can just see how many videos they have blocked from my Urdu channel alone. 55 of my video. Well, the beautiful thing is that the 55th video that they blocked today says now 9 years child married to a 55 years old guy, reported by CNN. That's what I compared with Muhammad. Very short video, not a debate. But then they're blocking them. Once again, I have a backup channel as well. The beautiful thing is my backup channel is very small. It has like 2,000 something subscribers. My Urdu channel has over 30,000 subscribers. My English channel has around 13,000 subscribers. But my backup channel is such a small channel. It has only 2,500 subscribers. That's it. Yet, Pakistan is so scared of my videos and my evidences. They are blocking my videos from a channel which has less than 3,000 subscribers. Look, that's my backup channel, Adam Seeker Alive. How I left the false prophet, part 2. Shab-e Qadr, Islamic pregnancy, Islam ki bachaiye, save Islam. That's an Urdu video. My backup channel has a mix of both of my channel, the beautiful videos. I saved them there so that if somehow one of my channel is blocked, they'll be there. But you know what's happened? Pakistan is blocking the videos from my backup baby channel as well. Muhammad worshipped idols. The real Muhammad will Lloyd. Hazrat Muhammad ki पैदाइश, the birth of Muhammad. Old Testament is better than Quran. Rather, I should actually write even Old Testament, but anyhow. The real Muhammad with Lloyd, part 2. Muhammad and Jibrail by Sheikh Uthman. Quran, the Sat Kira or Ahruf, the Ahruf and the Kira of Quran. Quran 929. Abrogated after Nabi, Prophet? Really? Slavery and beating. answer from DE that I am Jahil. Guys, tell me something. Why? Why would a country block the videos? What am I saying in there? Am I not presenting evidences? Am I not showing what is written in your scriptures? Am I not debating with Muslims? Rather, am I not debating with Hafiz? Am I not debating in these videos with Imams? Am I not debating with Muftis? Am I not debating with scholars? Why are you deleting them from Pakistan? Why do you not want these Pakistani people to see the truth, the reality of this stupid, idiotic, demonic cult of Muhammad created 1400 years ago, which has nothing but lies and deception, as Allah Himself is the Khairul Makirin? Think and live after you know the truth. Leave this stupid, idiotic cult. Come to the saving knowledge of Christ. Yeshua Akbarul Azim.